Koramangala is one of the Bengaluru's liveliest neighborhoods, known for its youthful crowd, buzzing cafes, and electrifying pubs. From microbreweries and rooftop lounges to pocket-friendly tetrapods, the area has something for every party lover. Here are the top 10 pubs in Koramangala that define the city's nightlife. The first one is the Boozy Griffin. Styled like a classic British pub, the Boozy Griffin stands out with its medieval-inspired decor, chandeliers, and live music nights. Known for its variety of cocktails, inspired spirits, and finger-licking snacks, it's a go-to for party lovers. Their karaoke session and DJ keep the vibe high energy. The spacious interior make it perfect for large groups. If you want a mix of music, dancing, and drink, this is a must visit in Koramangala. The second one is Koramangala Social. Social blends the charm of a cafe with the vibe of buzzing pub, making it one of the most happening hangouts. With its industrial style interior and quirky cocktail like their iconic Long Island iced tea, it's loved by youngsters. The menu is diverse, covering Indian, continental, and vegan dishes. Evenings sees a vibrant mix of students, professionals, and travelers. It's equally good for working during the day and party at the night. The third one is the local Terrace Drinkery. The local is a popular rooftop pub in Koramangala, offering stunning views and the lively vibe. Known for its creative cocktails and pocket-friendly drinks, it's always buzzing with students and young professionals. Their food menu is expensive, featuring Indian and continental favorites. The terrace setting is especially enjoyable during Bengaluru's cool evening. It's the perfect spot for laid-back yet energetic nights. The fourth one is Gilly's Restaurant. Gilly's Restaurant is all about high-energy vibes, karaoke nights, and live music. The pub is spacious with both indoor and outdoor seating, making it versatile for different moods. Their food is flavorful with plenty of finger foods that go well with cocktails and beers. Prices are reasonable, making it a hit among college students and corporate groups, with DJs filling track live late into the night. It is guarantee a great party atmosphere. The fifth one is the Reservoir. Famous for its rooftop ambience, the Reservoir offers over 200 varieties of cocktails, making it one of the best spots for experimental drinkers. The decor is chic and modern, and the crowd is usually young and energetic. Their food menu balances Indian snacks with global platters, perfect for sharing. The rooftop setting with fairy lights create a romantic yet party-friendly vibes. It's a stylish trick for those who enjoy a wide variety of drinks. The next one is Indigo XP. Indigo XP is a pub nights club setup that offer a full-blown party experience. With neon lights, a massive dance floor, and live music gigs, it's popular among hardcore partygoers. Their cocktails are innovative, and the bar staff often customize drinks to your taste. The food menu ranges from Indian to Asian street food, pairing well with its drinks. It's an energetic spot that truly come alive on weekends with DJs and packed crowds. The next one is Pros Brew Pub. Pros is a microbrewery that serves freshly brewed craft beers in a rustic industrial setting. With brews ranging from wheat beer to dark shorts, it's a paradise for beer lovers. Their rooftop setting is airy and perfect for chilling with friends. The food menu include everything from cheesy pizza to spicy Indian starters. Live screening of sports add to the lively atmosphere. Pros is a must visit for anyone who enjoy beer with a view. The next one is the 1131 Bar Plus Kitchen. The 1131 Bar Plus Kitchen is a stylish pub known for its spacious rooftop seating and chic interiors. Their cocktails are creative, often fussed with unique flavors and fresh ingredients. The crowd is trendy, making it a popular choice for both casual evenings and special outings. Their frequent food menu include nachos, kebabs, and pasta, complements the drinks perfectly. With live music and a vibrant vibe, it is always buzzing. The second last is Bike Brewski Brewing Company, one of the largest brew pubs in Bengaluru. by Grioski is a messy setup with stunning interior and outdoor setting. Known for its signature craft fairs, it's often a range from light alleys to bold shops. The ambience feels like a mix of a street store and a party hub, making it unique. The last one is House of Commons. House of Commons is a pocket-friendly pub with a quirky theme and lively decor. It's loved by students and young professionals for its affordable drinks and tasty food. The vibe is casual, with music and cheerful groups filling the place. Their cocktails and finger food are the highlights. Karamangala's pub showcases the best of Bangalore's nightlife, offering something for everyone, from laid-back rooftop to high-energy dance floors. Whether you are love for craft beers, pocket-friendly cocktails, or vibrant party vibe, feast often. Pubs will make your night in Karamangala truly unforgettable.